Hello students, myself Anshu Khatri. Today I am going to teach you the topic of class 4. Our chapter is chapter 7, The Adventures of Robin Hood and His Merry Men. But before going to start, I would like to request you like, share my video and subscribe our channel for further notification. So let's start. In this chapter we see that Robin Hood, who lived in the forest of England. He lived in Sherwood Forest of Nottingham. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So first we see what is the meaning of adventures and merry men. Adventures means an exciting experience that involves risk, and merry men means the group of men who followed Robin Hood. They lived with him in Sherwood Forest. The merry men word particularly used for followers of Robin Hood who lived with him in Sherwood Forest. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, long time ago, there was a man named Robin Hood who lived in Sherwood Forest with his followers. He was a very skilled archer. Robin Hood and his follower robbed money, goods from rich people and distributed among poor people. One day there was an archery competition organized by Sheriff of Nottingham. What is the meaning of sheriff? Sheriff means Chief Executive Officer in England. That person is called sheriff. So he was searching the best archer in land. When Robin Hood was going for competition, he met with king's men. They asked him, "Where are you going?" Then he told them that he was going to win the competition. They started to make laugh of Robin Hood. Then king's men decided to test his skill. Means they asked him to show your skill. They asked him to shoot fastest deer in the forest with his arrow. At once Robin Hood shot down the deer with his arrow, but the king's men became angry with him. They started crying. They started to shout at Robin Hood. They said, "You must pay for this." This was king's favorite deer. All the men became scared when Robin Hood shot the man. They left the way of Robin Hood. When the Robin Hood was going, he came to across a narrow bridge. He saw a huge man. Okay, he saw a huge man.
Okay, ma'am.
Who was coming from other side. Robin Hood said, "I will go first," and the huge man said, "He will go first." They started to fight. The huge man threw Robin Hood into the river. Then Robin Hood blew his horn and called his followers for his aid. Robin Hood realized that the stranger was so strong, so he pleased with him. He asked his name. They both decided to participate in archery competition. Then the huge man said he was happy to meet him. Robin Hood asked his name. Then what did the huge man say? The huge man said, "My name is John Little." Then Robin Hood called him as Little John. Why? Because the man was looking so huge. So how it possible that his name was Little John or John Little? So he called him as Little John. Now Little John and Robin Hood became good friends. And huge man means John Little joined his band. Okay? Who joined his band?
Little John.
Yes, Little John joined his band. Now they became friends. Okay? A huge man and Robin Hood became good friends.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will do some activities of this
Okay,
chapter.
ma'am.
Our first activity is the king's men asked Robin Hood to shoot down the deer, knowing well that he would be successful. True or false? I am asking. The king's men asked Robin Hood to shoot down the deer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the king's men asked Robin Hood to shoot down the deer. Our second true false is the king's men were happy that Robin Hood had shot the deer down.
No, ma'am.
No, because they became angry. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
here we write false. Our third true false is Robin Hood killed the man who challenged him because he had always disliked that man.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Robin Hood got the better of Little John during their fight on the bridge.
False.
Yes, it is false because they both were fighting to cross the bridge.
Okay,
Little
ma'am.
John was defeated by Robin Hood in the archery competition. False. Okay, because
Okay, ma'am.
they both were very good archer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Little John joined the band of merry men.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Little John joined the merry men. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Means he also became follower of Robin Hood. Now let's do some other activity. Answer in one word. Where did Robin Hood live? Robin Hood lived in Sherwood Forest. Where did Robin Hood live?
Sherwood Forest.
Yes. Who offered an archery competition?
Sheriff.
Sheriff of Nottingham offered an archery competition. Okay. Who offered?
Okay, ma'am.
Sheriff. Which animal did Robin Hood shoot in the forest? Which animal?
Deer.
Yes. Deer was shot by Robin Hood. What name was given to the huge man by Robin Hood?
Little John.
Yes. His name was John Little, but Robin Hood called him as
Little John.
Little John. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope this chapter is clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.